Ka Meghalaya Rollerball Association, but ka Meghalaya Roller Skating Association, kila pelong ya ka fourth Meghalaya Speed Skating Championship, but ka first sub-junior and second senior state level Rollerball Championship. Ya kini jinglek kai la pelong ha pelau madan lek kai jong ka St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School Shillong, ha ka ba nadu ki hybrid, but ki samla kila poi baneshimata ha ka speed skating but rollerball. Hakabai day bat ka speed skating Vice President ka Meghalaya Rollerball Association ba Joshua Sotun ulayat ho ba ka jing pelong ya kini ka fourth Meghalaya Speed Skating Championship kalong shibanta ban prelat pelingti ya ki badan ka sub ban le ya ki skating bat kani ka jingle kai kalong ka jingle kai marwai ban pej mano bastet tam ban le ya ka skating. Hakabai day ba ka rollerball President ka Meghalaya Rollerball Association ba suklang dekhar ula pentip ba kene kadai ke jingle kai kenhon wat kadai ke jingle kai kebala syak kenthop ke National Games kebala long ha Goa bat kebala yo banyakun ru shado kari Kenya ula pentip ba ki hybrid bat ki kun samla ki balek kai ya kene ke jingle kai kila yo ya ke kabu banyakun hakir insan bahe bat shabar ke jela baru lakermen ba kene ke jingle kai kan sayo ru bandrung wat ha National Games kaban salong hanang ba shlong ha ke jingle kren jong ba John F Khashing working president ke MSOA ulai ku blai kerpang ya ki kme ki ba ki blai lat ya la ki khon ban yeng harinsan ban le ka ya ka rollerball bat ka roller skating ulong ba ka jingpen kre ya ka National Games arajar phnyo kadang ya chakmat bat kan sapoi ka por ba ya kini ka jingle kai on sapelong na ka benta ka National Games.
Hey! Shoot, go!
Ketenjung ada Joshua Sotun, ada Vice President of Meghalaya Rollerball Association, pelong ketika fourth Meghalaya Speed Skating Championship, haba laya shimenta ki kena nadu ba Southlam, hadu Southlam sejong, kedai berserang. Ngidon ki participant kumba sispa sanpo tamai, ki bela shimenta resi. Speed skating kalau kami ketika game individual haba ki kia ya kidon kat kumpi kategori kisnem ki bakam red kia le fly round ki bakam he ki bakam senior ki le san round te ni clock ke timing kat ba khaploi te kita ki yo watch mat te haba pun ki participant te ga ni pelong te kali te kitu ki ba wan banikong ba ar balai ki wan shakmat te ni sa pelong pa di ka final part kat ki ba room shakmat ki long final part te ki yo jit nak ko ki long tau kita mani kibadon kini ka speed skating te kari individual tama kiba participate part kidon napo East Khasi Hills kidon napo West Khasi Hills kidon napo Midway kidon napo West Jantia Hills kita hot nila kini speed skating e nila represent nila lekai ke east zone apo bhoti nila lekai ta hasan nila lekai teng te nila ju lekai hang niru te kumtai ki khnai chajit kia le cha sam te kidon ki bia job kidon ki bang bia job te kita hai kani ka academy ka don hangni ha senatris kadi ki jongka Meghalaya Rollerball Association ka academy kadi jongka senatris si nia pelak ka ro hangni hi nimdon madan chuwai tingi pelak ka hangni hi te nang ni hi ajit ka don ki bakam tibet ki la cha jit lali represent ni ka state te om tangi kani skating nai ka rollerball ru kabain sa batay food jongi nang ni sumat ke sapang ka rollerball te gato ka rollerball ru nila di represent ni ya ka junior team sapo sabah sa nila dep associate baka Meghalaya Olympic MSUA mo kila don baka MSUA tama mental nang ni sumat ngin ni persyang ban pebung ka national games ka banwan tingin nangya treka mekta kampasya include ka national games ya ka rollerball undai ka speed skating ya ka rollerball te ginangya tray mta ngin kristom ba ngin kepat bakin hep langi apa ka national games
nga kerteng sulang dakar ngari president jong Meghalaya Rollerball Association but jong Meghalaya Roller Skating Association tengi conduct ya kane ka first sub junior but ka second senior state level rollerball championship ke hani kilawan kaling ka district ne kila participate ne te kane ka rollerball kumbukan juong ba kade ke indigenous game ni start kane kade na Pune te start 2003 na 2003 te recently ngidang dep kane ka first junior world cup ru ha Kenya balong te kara ka India hi atau first second pada kedai ka Kenya atau third pada kedai Sri Lanka mo te kata ini wan rai kini ka game Ronaldo araja ka khandai sini ni ale te kini ni players jong ni kila pick up ba kila kham climb ka danglit ka por danglit ka sini te kata ini pelong ya kini bakin player jong ni bakin pancucu nationals dan nationals te ngila ban ni lenti ban job ni sedang 2019 ya kan ya kan ke event tu one day menta dang kat artrik mulai mentas ni Saturday
ngri bikin sisni
tang sisni ma de nani shikmat nakar karmen hi baka kane ka senior bat ka junior team jongi kala ka klan geng nila compete untuk gila poi haki quarter haki 8 unta dan ini sekumat ginang plan hi bantu hani rusak ka nationals zone nationals ke bangin paniba players jong di pihak plan ban job naman dapat naga ya government ru ba kani kanong ha Meghalaya mo 39 nationals game tingin 4 room re tang pating ladon ha ka 37 national games kumbalong habua ini terpat ya kiru ba kin pendrung ya ka rollerball ingin ya mut min aing so iba tiang min proud ya ka Meghalaya bat ka eki state government jongi ki kita island kata kita pa on join ya gani ka academy menta tingin ang don ha Saint Anthony si high secondary school ki academy te ki la banwan te ki la ban inquiry high school hi ki la ban inquiry te kata hi la ban na do license shalor ni
to the parents for sending your children to play in this sport. It is a very, very fast game and it is requires a lot of fitness. So once again, I'd like to congratulate the Meghalaya Rollerball Skating Association. And as you know, this sport is also one of the sport which is growing over the world, also in Meghalaya, also in India. And we do hope that we'll be able to promote the sport in a larger context, and hope that the federation will also put in more tournaments in the state. And I'm very grateful. We are looking forward also to the national games. Meghalaya is going to host the national games in 2027, February 2027, and we are having team preparation going on. A lot of preparation for that. Our Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. K. Sarma, our Sports Minister, Mr. Shakil Rajvi, we are doing all that best, putting a lot of effort to support all the state associations. So I hope all of you one day will also be part of the national games. It is yet to be decided whether the Rollerball will be there or not, because it is dependent on the Government of India, the Indian Olympic Association, the Government of India, also related to the priorities on the Olympic sports. So many criteria are there, but nevertheless, I'm very happy that so many children have come here before and received the state championship. I congratulate the Meghalaya Rollerball Skating Association and wish you all the very best. The President, the Secretary, the Office Bearer, the Advisor, the Federation representative from Assam. Thank you very much. English Mitena Jai Hind.
Please, everybody, give them a round of applause. Please clap, everybody.
আরে ভিডিও করছি মেডেল দেবে
Gold medalist. Is under 8. Girls playing. This is for under 14 boys sport.